Hello everyone, so we are back with a new video, and in this video I will be showing you how to make a small DIY book. So this can be used for teaching any concept. For example, here I have used this for teaching Jolly Phonics words. You can use this for math concepts, for teaching Hindi. You can also make a small storybook with this. So it's very handy for kids to just take and read along. So it's very fun for kids also to make if we teach them. So let's see how to make this book without using any glue or stapler. So first of all, take A4 size paper, rectangle paper. So we will have a length and the shorter side. So join the shorter side together and fold it properly. So now again we have to fold the two sides like this. And now the last fold. This is very easy to make. You can make within 5 minutes, and we will have 8 pages, a book with 8 pages. So now comes the tricky part. Let's see. So you have to just open the sides of the pages like this. And we have to cut from the folded end, otherwise it will not become a book. If you cut it from the open end, we have to cut it from the folded end. So you can see we have got a hole in the middle. So now fold along the length, the longer side you have to fold like this. And the last part is, you just have to fold the pages like this. You can see a hole in the middle, and when you fold, it will become a notebook. So do follow all the steps and the book will be formed within minutes. You don't need any stapler, you don't need any glue, and it's very handy for kids to have their mini book for reading. So if you like this video, please share with your friends, and stay tuned for more early learning activities and DIY works. Thank you.